Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me. This time we are entering the last discussing or the final chapter in open source IT technology. In this chapter, we will discuss the Nginx web server. Okay, there are only two materials in the this section. The first is installing the Nginx web server, and the second is basic Nginx configuration. Let's get started. Here we will use Ubuntu Desktop for installation process. I will use SSH to connect to server 1 Debian. Okay, first I use SSH. The username is router Debian. Then I enter the IP address 10.2 and I also specify the port 22 and 11. After that, I press enter. Now I have successfully logged into server 1 Debian. To install Nginx, you must port with the root user by typing su scan password. Okay, to install Nginx, after that, type the command apt apt install Nginx. Okay, then press enter and wait until the installation process is complete. When prompted, choose yes to continue. The installation process is still running. Okay, now the installation has finished. Success. Next, we check whether Nginx is already running by using the systemctl command. Okay, systemctl status Nginx. Okay, press enter, and here we can see that the status is active or running. After that, we can press Control plus C. Then we try to access it through Firefox or a browser. Here we enter the IP address of the Debian server, which is 10.2. 10.2. Okay, you can press enter. Wait until the page load. Now this is the default Nginx server page. This is how the Nginx server display looks. That's it for the installation of the Nginx web server. Next, we will continue with basic Nginx configuration. Now, let's directly open the Ubuntu desktop. For the configuration, first we need to enter the Nginx directory by typing cd slash etc slash nginx. Okay, sini presenter. Next, we type ls. Here, we can see two directories, sets available, and sets enable. Just like before, sets available is used to store HTTP server configuration files, while sets enable is used to enable and check which configuration are active. Now let's list the contact of sets available by typing s sites available. Okay, press enter. Here we can see that there is a file called default. We will edit this file to change the web display. Type menu sites available just default. Okay, then press enter and scroll down. And we can see several configuration here. We can see the line root /4 /w html. We can also see that the index file include index.html. Nginx will first read index.html. If it does not exist, it will then check index.html or index.nginx.debian.html. Next, we will check the /for the wtml directory is for whtml and press enter. Here we can see that there is a file called index.nginx.debian.html. Ini uh, now we will open the file using the command nano for html /index.html. Okay, this you can press enter. Okay, inside this file we add an h1 and take to change the page appearance. We write something like welcome to Nginx fun. Okay, just Ctrl X, Y, and enter. After that, we save the file by pressing Ctrl plus X, then enter. Next, we restart Nginx by typing systemctl restart Nginx. And enter. Okay, the configuration is successful. Now let's open a Firefox. Enter the server IP address or simply refresh the page. We can see that the page now. Welcome to Nginx Fun, which means the basic Nginx configuration has been successful. Okay, that's all for the basic Nginx configuration. That's enough for today's material. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.